Hi, welcome to this video about how to make career in software programming. I am Niranjan Showman, the founder and trainer at Cromosys Education and Technology Research Center at Nalasopara West in Mumbai. I have been teaching foreign languages and computer science from past 20 years, and I'm the author of more than 50 books on Amazon and Flipkart from 10 to 15 years. So today in this video I would love to talk about how to make career in software programming. Let's look at it. First, let me tell you, what is software programming? So, software programming is basically, it's a coding. You write things, you write instructions, you write computer instructions in a code, in Notepad obviously, that the CPU understands and execute the task. Please try to understand. It's a code that you write in Notepad, save it in the coding language extension, and when it goes through the compilation process, then the CPU of the computer recognizes the code and it executes the task. That's called software programming or coding in fact. Let me tell you where it begins from. So basically, the software coding, we had some old programming language before that was BASIC, COBOL, Frontron and all that. But from 1970 onwards somewhere, there happened a great revolution in programming, and we had a programming language called C. My dear friend, C is considered the mother of most of the programming languages of present time. So, if you are, here are two ways. If you are beginner of programming language, means you want to start from scratch, from zero, means you don't know nothing about it, then you need to start with C programming language. You have to learn C first. But if some of the learners already have some basic knowledge of software programming, then for them, they can start with C++. Let me tell you one thing, that software programming starts with C. And C++, the advanced version of C is C++ is a child of C language, and Java is the grandchild of C language. Here, let me come back again to my previous word that yes, if you are new to programming and you want to enter in this field, so first of all, you should have interest in logic, algorithm, and some sort of computation work that happens through software programming. And if you have interest, then you should start with C programming language. Yes, though it is the fact that C is an obsolete kind of version of the programming language, but when one needs to start, she must start with C. Otherwise, starting with C++ will be difficult. So, there are lessons in C beginning from zero, beginning from scratch, where you learn code words that you type in Notepad, you execute, the compilation happens, and then the task, it creates a kind of software application. Yes, programming creates a software application through which you execute your desired task. That is what software programming, and that is where from C it starts. Within a month, or probably 1.5 months, when you are clear with C, then you can go ahead and learn the next advanced version of C, and that is called C++. There are different, a little bit of different coding is there than C. Some new coding instructions are there, some new library words are there that you need to apply in your coding for greater and advanced task that you want to execute on your computer, making a software application, whatever you call it. My dear friends, after you are thorough with C++, then you can go ahead and look for Java. As I said, Java is the grandchild of C, and C++ is the child of C. Java, again, the next advanced version of C++, it is a kind of bigger platform, gigantic thing it is. But here is one thing. Some people desire to learn Python, the programming language. It's highly usable, and it is true that it is easy also. So here are two ways. First you learn C, then you learn C++ if you are new, and then either you can learn Python, because you can learn Python easily after C++, because it is easier than Java. Or else you can go this way also. First you learn C. Obviously, if you are new, then go ahead and learn C++. Then if you want, you can learn Java and then Python. But I would recommend that you can go ahead this way, that C, C++, Python and Java, my dear friend. It will help you this way. And these programming languages are called the basic programming languages. There are advanced versions as well. In the advanced version, you can learn PHP, you can learn Perl, and you need to learn at the end, it is called Kotlin, Kotlin. What are the applications these programming languages have made? My dear friends, C++ has contributed a lot in making Windows software platform, computer platform altogether. Then Java, most of the applications, mobile applications and computer softwares, in the website making also, my dear friend, Java is used a lot. Many of the Microsoft applications, software applications, Microsoft Office and all that is made in C++. At the same time, my dear friend, YouTube runs on Python, and for this thing, my dear friend, Facebook runs on PHP. So imagine the kind of usage. So in the digital revolution kind of thing, you should, if you want to make your career in software coding, that's called software programming, then you have to go ahead this way. First, check your interest, that you should have interest in logic, you should have your interest, a little interest in mathematics, understanding mathematics and algorithm of it. And then, if you want to know where to start from, so please make sure if you're new, you can start with C, not C++, C. Then go ahead and make yourself familiar with, start learning C++, and then after C++ there are two ways. Either you select Python or you select Java. If you select Python, then next it would be Java. If you select Java, then Python would be next. And then the advanced are PHP, Perl and Kotlin. When you learn all that, Kotlin will help you make mobile applications, my dear friend. All mobile apps are made in Kotlin. Yes. Here, as I will repeat again about myself, I'm Niranjan Showman with you. I teach foreign languages, German, French, Spanish, and in computer science, web development and software programming, C++, Java, Python from past 20 years at my Education and Technology Research Center, Cromosys, Nalasopara West, Mumbai. You can check my books also. I have my written books. I've written my books on C++, on Python and Java, and I will be writing on PHP as well. And you can check my books on German and French and Spanish on Amazon and Flipkart. Thank you so much. Take care.